Uh-oh, healthy food.
Good morning, Nino. Eat your breakfast to grow strong.
Yuck! Healthy food is boring. Breakfast of champions.
Come on, sweetie. You need to eat your breakfast.
Crunch! Eat more! Fizz! Drink more!
Whoa, why am I so tired?
Are you okay? Do you want me to call your mother?
Yes.
Hello, Nino's mom? Nino is sick. Please come and take him to the hospital. Your mom is coming.
It's going to be okay, sweetheart. Let's go to the hospital.
It's okay. Everything will be all right.
Too much junk food. It looks like your tummy is upset because of all these unhealthy foods. We need to avoid them to feel better.
Eat us. Nope, I want to be strong. I love it.
That's wonderful, sweetheart.
Healthy food makes me feel awesome.
Eat healthy to grow strong, happy. Don't eat unhealthy food. You'll get sick and have stomach pain.